This is a Toyota Prius C 2013. Blower motor, noisy. You can hear a noise from here with a low speed here. Really noisy. Really annoy me. I check everything, you know. Nothing stuck in there. Took off the filter and see nothing clean. Replaced the filter 3 months ago. What really making noise? Take off the glove box down here. Now I'm gonna replace the new motor. Okay. Here, part number. Here, new motor. Come with everything, one assembly. You need to remove this one connector and got 3 bolts here, 1, 2, 3 in the back. And rub it down, you know, and you can replace it. You got to remove this one connector, 3 bolts here. Rub it down. Yeah, connector. Got a squeeze inside here. Go this way. Squeeze it, pull it down, okay? Now I got to remove 3 bolts here. This is a torque. Here, here, and here. Here, I just installed a new one. No more noise. Here's a new one in there. See the split here? Same split, okay? Yeah. No more noise. Okay, got the install back glow box and we got done. See the old one here. Okay, thank you, bye bye.